Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we have the Oceanic Wild Oracle by Tiffany Sosa, and it's kind of a different deck. I'm really excited about it. It's smaller. I will link everywhere I know that you can purchase it down in the description box below. They're not affiliate links and I'm not sponsored or paid for this unboxing video. I believe it retails for $38, so it's a little bit more on the high end of the price, but it's by Boho and indiewild.com. And it says, dive into the depths of your subconscious with this 40 card oracle deck to reveal messages from the deep. So I already undid the plastic in here so you don't have to see me struggle. All right. Ooh, there's spreads. Okay, so it says how to use this oracle, working with the Oceanic spread or wild and Oceanic wild oracle spreads. And then it goes into the card meanings. Okay. Inspired by her travels. All right. How to use this oracle. I intended for this oracle to be easy to use right out of the box. Use this guidebook or don't. Each card has one keyword that you can use to catalyst your own meanings of the cards. It's a reflective pool for your intuition, emotions, and inner wisdom in your life. Once you pull a card, you are meant to feel enlightened, to make better life or to make life-changing decisions for the better, to create self-worth and a new passion and purpose to go on your journey in the horizon. Okay. There are 40 cards that have both upright and reverse meanings. That's 80 different messages to provide you insight and guidance from within. So no should I, will I, am I, or does so-and-so questions. Rather focus on what you can influence or change in a positive and constructive way. So examples would be, what do I need to know about? What do I need to do to achieve? What is standing in the way? Or how can I improve my, etc. Good questions focus on you rather than others. You are responsible and accountable for your life. You have free will and you shape your own destiny. Okay. So then we have a 1 card draw, 3 card draw, step 2 self-healing, mermaid wisdom, and then meanings of the cards. So we'll have keywords, messages, and reverse. All right. So I'm excited about these cards because I love anything. Ooh, hello, look at that. I love anything mermaid related. Little Mermaid is my favorite Disney film of all time. Anything ocean, yeah, love it. All right, so there's the back. Beautiful. Love it. They are hollow, so just remember when separating the cards, which these seem to be just fine, they may stick, so be careful when you pull them apart. So they are glossy. They are beautiful. I'm so excited. Okay. They're more of like the Everyday Witch tarot size rather than, your standard oracle deck size. They feel really good in the hand. Love it. The artwork is so different and I'm trying to pinpoint like what it reminds me of and I can't at the moment, but I do love just like the hazy background and then in your face mermaid. I kind of really love that. And there are no borders. The keyword or the title of the card is, tiny. What a great little deck for, a daily pool, your journaling. I mean, you can use this for anything really. So cute. It is a pricier deck, so I'm not sure, like there's some, like maybe the coating didn't go on the card all the way. So I'm not sure if I'm liking the price for the deck. However, I need to do a little bit more research on the company. If they are indie, then, they don't go through like a publisher like Hay House. So it's either kickstarted or, it's their own money that they're throwing into the production of this. So if that's the case, then by all means, like the price is not like a huge ding to me at all. But like if they were going through Hay House, I'm pretty sure this would not be $38. At least in my opinion. However, I'm not complaining about the price right now. I really do like the artwork. I like the different keywords here. I like that essentially you can use this for reversals too. So you have 80 different meanings, right? So I'm not mad at that at all. I do love that none of the cards are sticking together, especially having the gloss and then the foiling on the edge. So I'm totally all right with this. I'm really liking the fact that there are no borders, because with this being a smaller card, it makes sense to want to focus on the whole artwork here. Love it. Okay. Impulsive. This is giving me Ariel at the end where she's, getting her legs again and she's running back up on shore. Okay. Just me? Okay. That's beautiful. It's such a different kind of art style and I'm like here for it. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh, cute. It's really pretty. So I would love to know what you guys think of this deck, if this was even on your radar, because it was something that flew underneath my radar for a while. So I'm really excited that I found it. There is some diversity, which is awesome. Again, tarot is for everyone. However, I would enjoy more diversity. Just my thought. It's so different. And I know I keep saying that, but it is. Oh my goodness. It's the that like aquarium, where they have like sometimes that tunnel that you go through in the aquarium and like everything swims over you and you get really scared when like a shark comes by. Okay, yeah, me. That's all me. Like I refused for the longest time when I would go and see the aquariums and stuff. I would refuse to go into anywhere that was housing a shark. I could not do it. I'm still afraid that they're gonna break the glass. Just takes a little fracture. This is so cute, little seahorse, unicorn. All right. Let's see how it shuffles. Oh, well, all right then. It definitely shuffles well without my user error. They are a smaller card, so I think it's fantastic for people with smaller hands. It shuffles fantastic. I'm not gonna lie. I do not hate the $38 price tag. I didn't have to peel apart a card once. I didn't have to worry about them sticking together. They shuffle fantastic. They're all gliding individually. They're not sticking together. The foiling on the sides was not hampering to anything I'm doing. So that's the kind of thing that I look for when edges are gilded. Are the cards sticking together? Did I have to peel them apart? Are they moving on their own throughout the shuffling process? That, to me, is perfect. I'm excited. I love, love, love the hollow. I think it, is that linear hollow? Any Simply Nailogical fans out there? So yeah, it's beautiful. I have no complaints. So let's go ahead. This one fell out. This is Traveler. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look at Traveler. I'm going to use the table of contents to make it fast. It is all in alphabetical order as well, which is fantastic. They aren't numbered, so you're just going to have to either flip through the book or use that table of contents. Keywords are adventure, voyage, journey, speed, action, and movement. The message for upright would be, traveler is a determined mermaid racing off to new places. What adventure are you embarking on? Don't slow down or stop on your path towards fulfillment and success. Keep moving forward and travel to new horizons. Use this card as momentum to carry yourself forward. This card fuels change and wants you to get moving. And if it were reversed, it would be lack of control, holding off, delays, or resisting change. All right, I'm excited about this. I don't know if it's something that you guys are excited about, but I am. I love everything about this. I feel like, yeah, it's a little pricey, but the experience of shuffling through is kind of worth it for me. You get that uniqueness, you get the beautiful hollow, you get the beautiful backing. I love everything about it. It's different, it's unique, it's fun, and I think anyone from beginner on up, whatever your skill level is, it will be fantastic to use. You know, it's just fun. You can use this with your clients and not feel like you're going to offend them. There's some diversity. There's no real nudity. So, you know, any age level, this should be fine for, in my opinion. Now, again, I'm not a parent, so, you know, everybody's got more, got a different view, right? So again, there's no nudity. I don't feel like this would be an issue if, you know, your kid wants to have an oracle deck. Just saying. So $38 is a little expensive, yes, but I feel like you definitely are getting your money's worth as far as, you know, it's beautifully done. I believe it is an indie company, so, you know, it makes sense that it is priced a little bit higher, but the quality is there. So therefore, I would rather pay more to have a great quality and a unique deck than, you know, pay a little bit less and then have to risk that, you know, the poorer quality, or, you know, not having the foil edges at all, or that sort of a thing. So, I mean, I guess it's in your opinion and what you view and how you would value the price, right? So that's just my opinion. I think it's worth it. I think if you are into mermaids and the ocean and that sort of thing, this is really kind of like the deck for you. I love it. I'm excited. I'm having more and more of a collection of some mermaid and ocean decks, which I'm excited about. So let me know what your thoughts are on this deck down in the comment section below. Let me know what you would use it for, a daily pull or, you know, confirmation or on its own. Let me know if there's any other decks that I have not yet reviewed on my channel. If you guys want me to do that for you, I will get my hands on it as soon as I can and get that done for you guys. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That way you'll never miss an upload from me. And thank you so much for watching. You guys are amazing. I love you so much. And thank you again. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.